Welcome to 25 Maple here in Plainville. This is an 1,850 square foot, 3-bedroom ranch. All you're living on one level with an amazing yard. It has so much to offer. Let's go check it out. As you can see, this yard is perfect for entertaining with your big deck in the back, your above ground pool, your shed, your perfectly level yard, and even horseshoe pits. This house is really a ringer. Inside the home, this is one of my favorite features. You have this large country kitchen with all these built-ins, a large island for all your prep work and getting dinner ready, and it's located directly next to this oversized dining room, perfect for all your family gatherings. Here in the living room, you have plenty of natural light and a wood-burning fireplace behind me. You will love relaxing here with a great book or hosting family and friends. Well, there you have it. That's 25 Maple in Plainville. To set up a private showing, please reach out. All my contact info is below. I know this would be a great place to start your story. I'm Dave Jones with Dave Jones Realty, looking forward to helping you be a homeowner.